I'm doing the most random side hustle. It's for the Field Agent app, and it's for pool chemicals. So it sends you to like all the pool chemical stores in your area, and you have to take some pictures. It's really easy, and what you have to do. The hard part is these stores, the people that work there are really helpful, and as soon as you walk in, they're going to ask you if you need help. So the trick is knowing what to say and saying the right thing. So watch how I do it, and then you can decide if this is a side hustle you want to do. Now, a very common question I get asked in the comments when I make these videos is people that feel uncomfortable going into these stores and taking pictures. They don't want to get in trouble. Now, most stores aren't going to be happy with you taking pictures of their shelves, but everyone else is on their phone. So I usually say I'm on a FaceTime, I'm doing research, I'm comparing prices, or I'm looking for coupons. So have a backstory before you walk into the store. So watch how I handle this one. Good morning. I'm just doing some research. All right, so now they're going to leave me alone for a while. And this is asking for pool chemicals. So basically, just this whole shelf on the back wall has all of the pool chemicals. There were some employees doing training over there. That's going to be a problem, but I'll show you how I deal with that. And then I'm just taking nice pictures of each 4-foot section that contain the products they're asking for. There's other gigs that pay more, and there'll be different stuff that they ask for, but this is one of the really easy ones. This is one of them where it's basically, if you're passing by one of these stores, it's basically like walking in and walking out and getting paid. So all you're going to have to do is take these pictures. Most phones will let you take these pictures as you walk, so you could do it super fast. The next question after they get the shelf photos is going to be if there was any displays, and there really was no displays of the pool chemicals here. So the next question is going to ask for any display. It's going to ask for a freestanding display. So I did these cool pool noodles, and that's it. So $3 may not sound like a lot. It may sound like a waste of time, but a lot of times when I'm out doing DoorDash and Uber Eats, I get a lot of orders around $2 to $3. And then with those, you have to go pick up the food, wait at the restaurant, get the food, bring it with you, and then drop it off, hope the customer answers the door and stuff. With this, you just go to the location, you go in and you go out, and you could do a bunch of them. These drop at pretty much every pool supply place, and I live in Florida, so there's basically one in every corner. So all the different pool supply places, and even Walmart, Sam's Club, Target, the same gig asking for the pool supplies, and those stores had even less. So subscribe to this channel if you want to. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more hidden side hustles, and check out this video to see my full tutorial on how to get started with this app.